Hi, welcome to Answers Cube. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about a free online training that's going to be conducted by Amazon on 27th August 2020. So the name of this event is AWS Builders Online Series. So in this online training, you will be learning completely about all the concepts about Amazon Web Services. That is what AWS is. So now let's see the details of this online event, when it is conducted and what's the timing in different regions. We'll see all the details now. So here is a brief description about what is AWS Builders Online Series. You can look into it. And here is the event highlights. So you'll have an opening session and 10 plus sessions from AWS experts about different concepts of AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, as I said. And technical demo videos will also be shown to you. And you will get a certificate of attendance from Amazon for attending this online event. So here they have given why you should attend this event. Dive deep into cost optimization, security, web and mobile applications, and more. And here they have given who should attend this online event. So this series aims to enable builders with the right skills to design and deploy fit for purpose solutions. So what they have given here is, doesn't matter if you are an experienced person on cloud technologies, or if you want to explore a new skill, or you are someone looking to learn about cloud technology for the first time. Doesn't matter who you are, anyone can attend this online training by Amazon. Now let's see about the session timings. So they have given here timings according to different regions. So see which one is applicable for you. In India, it's 8:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. on 27th August 2020. Remember the date. So in Sri Lanka also it's the same timing, and in Korea it's 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. And in other countries, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, it's 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And in Thailand and Vietnam, it's 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And in Indonesia, it's 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. again. And Pakistan, it's 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. And in Australia and New Zealand, in Australia, it's 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. And in New Zealand, it's 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Just see which one is applicable to your region. Now let's see the agenda of this online event. So here they have given complete details about what you'll be learning. And the first 60 minutes will be an opening session where you'll be learning about cloud security fundamentals on what every builder needs to know from the industry experts. And the next 60 minutes will be in a Q&A session with Amazon Web Services experts. And here they have given two tracks, track 1 and track 2. And they have given all the details about different sessions here. Just look into it. And you will have a closing session of Q&A for 50 minutes at the end of this online event. And here they have given the session description for each one separately. So this one is an opening session, I guess, cloud security fundamentals, what every builder needs to know. Here they have given a brief description about the session, and they have also given who's going to speak in the session. You can see for each one separately. They have given all the details here. You can look into it. Track 1, track 2, everything is given here, what you'll be learning and who is going to speak. So if you see level 100 near any topic, it's an introductory one, and if you see level 200, it's an intermediate topic. Just know that. And before registering, let's see some frequently asked questions. So first one, where is the AWS Builders Online Series hosted? So as I said, it's an online event, and after completing the online registration, you will receive a confirmation mail containing the login link that you will need to access the platform. You'll be able to access the link on 27th August 2020. So what they have given here is, after completing your registration, you will receive a confirmation mail from Amazon Web Services. So you need to access that link on 27th August at that particular timing to enter into the event. How do I get certificate of attendance? So after attending the workshop, you will receive a certificate of attendance within 1 week from Amazon, and you will receive it in the mail address which you use to register for the event. And here they have given what are the languages in which the sessions are available. It's available in English, Korean, Bahasa Indonesia, and Vietnamese. And the next one here is, what is the price to attend AWS Builders Online Series? It's a free online event. You don't need to pay for anything. Now let's see how to register for the event. You can see here, register now. Just click on it. Once you click on register now, you'll be landing on this page. So just check these two boxes and give your first name, last name, and company name. And if you are a student, just type not applicable. and give your email address and country, region, and give your phone number and company type. Again, if you are a student, just click on not applicable, and then you have to give your city and postal code and job title. If you are a student, just type in student, and you have to give other details like industry, company size, and level of AWS usage and use case, and you have to select between these two. This information is associated with my personal interest or business interest, and click on submit after giving all the details. So let me give my details and catch up later. Once you have given all the details, just click on submit. After completing your registration, you will see this. Thank you for your registration. You will receive the confirmation mail shortly. So this is how you need to register for the AWS Builders Online Series event. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can also connect with us on social media. We have given all our social media link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.